In this quick video tutorial, I'd like to sort of go through the primary and the secondary subject. What does it mean? How can it help us? I'm going to use this picture that I took in Mexico as an example of how we can make use of secondary subjects to really enhance the narrative or the storytelling aspects of our photos. Okay, so let's begin with this street photograph in one of my favorite cities, San Miguel de Allende in Mexico. And what we have is a really nice romantic kissing scene. And by the way, if you are a little bit uncomfortable with street photography with regards to privacy issues, well, try to get the backs of people as long as they're in an interesting situation that tells a story and provides an emotion. So for example, in this picture, we can't see their faces, so they're not really exposed if that is a concern for you. Now, the obvious thing is that they are the primary subject. That means the most important element in the picture. However, can you see a very important secondary subject in this picture? This is a little quiz and you have 5 seconds to figure it out. Okay, so the secondary subject in this picture, in my mind, is the wonderful smile. So this is Sabritas. It's a Mexican, I don't know, they sell treats like chips and so on. And the Sabritas logo, or the character, the mascot, is smiling at these two. So we would call this the secondary subject. And this is really valuable because it not only supports the primary subject, but it also provides, in this instance, a nice sort of humorous element to really make sure that this is a light mood. This is a really fun picture. These are two young lovers, and what we should do is encourage that love. And the Sabritas mascot is doing just that. So just to summarize, it's a very simple concept. When we're doing street or travel photography, always, of course, we have that primary subject, which is the people. But if we can successfully find a secondary subject that really supports the primary subject, then we have a real winner. And this is what we're looking for. And the secondary subject is a supporting element. It's something that really helps the picture. It strengthens the picture. It adds the narrative or the storytelling aspects. And sometimes it creates a sense of metaphor. And yeah, so that's what we're looking for. Okay, I hope that tip helped. And I would encourage you to check back tomorrow and the next day and the next day, because I post new tutorials almost every day. Okay? Have fun with your photography, and I'll see you in the next video.